Replacing a bridge after a tooth's been lost can prevent a chain reaction of problems that would affect your entire mouth. Like other things, teeth need each other for support. When one tooth is lost, the biting force changes on the teeth next to the space, and they begin to shift. When a tooth no longer has anything to chew against, it begins to extrude out of the socket. You can eventually end up losing it too. As your bite changes, it gets harder and harder to chew your food, and you may get damage to your jaw joint, the TMJ. It's much harder to clean teeth that have shifted. Harmful plaque and tartar accumulate in these new hard-to-reach places, causing cavities and the permanent bone loss that comes with gum disease. Like other bridges, a dental bridge uses abutments for support and to hold it in place. It's custom crafted in a dental laboratory to precisely fit your teeth. A missing tooth really changes a person's smile, but a bridge is a good way to get your smile back.